Divisibility rules. Divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. 4, 3, 5, 7, 2. In 4, 3, 5, 7, 2, 2 is in 1's place. It is an even number. So, 4, 3, 5, 7, 2 is divisible by 2. 4, 3, 5, 7, 2. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 21. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So, 4, 3, 5, 7, 2 is divisible by 3. Hence, the number 4, 3, 5, 7, 2 is divisible by 6. Note, if a number is divisible either by 2 or 3 alone, then it is not divisible by 6. Divisibility rule for 7. Step 1. Pick the last digit of the number and double it. Step 2. Subtract the doubled number from the rest of the number. Step 3. If the number is divisible by 7, then the original number is also divisible by 7. Step 4. If the difference is still a big number and we are not sure of its divisibility by 7, go back to step 1 and repeat the process. Example 9982. On applying the rule, we get 998 minus 4 double of 2 is equal to 994. 994 when divided by 7 gives 142 as quotient and leaves no remainder. So, 9982 is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8. Example 19640. Here, the number formed by the last 3 digits of the number is 640 and 640 divided by 8 is equal to 80. So, the number is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 11 when the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and sum of the digits in the even places of the number is 0 or a multiple of 11. Example O 6, E 5, O 3, E 2, O 5, E 7, O for odd places, E for even places. Sum of the digits in the odd place is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 14. Sum of the digits in the even place is equal to 5 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 14. Difference equals to 0. Here, the difference is 0. So, 6, 5, 3, 2, 5, 7 is divisible by 11. Let us recall. Divisibility rule of 2. The last digit is even. Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. The number represented by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. The last digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility rule of 6. The number is divisible by 2 and 3. Divisibility rule of 7. Remove the last digit, double it, subtract it from the leftover number. The result is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 8. The number represented by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 9. The sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. The last digit is 0. Divisibility rule of 11. If the sum of the digits in odd places and sum of the digits in even places, difference is the multiple of 11 or 0.